Hi, it's me, for People Brox, the British Tech Guru, with a longish update. I have been working on this shelf, and the dowels are all supposed to be the same length, and they all measured pretty much the same length. So the only thing is I can think is that the wood is a little bit warped. That gives me a little bit of a problem. Some of the dowels now appear to be longer, but they're not really, and some of them haven't gone in all the way on the far end, which is another problem. I'll get it sorted in the end. My plan is to put a bracket in here, which is going to be a challenge in itself, to hold this in position, and then to go along here and put a bracket here to hold it in position. Now, the astute amongst you will have noticed there is a missing dowel. I do not know what happened there, because I counted them thoroughly, and I had enough dowels, and I had and they matched the number of holes. So the only thing I can think is that I lost one somewhere. As you can see, working in here has created a little bit of a dust mess, which is not really welcome. But that is actually going to be quite good when it's finished, and those are actually quite sturdy, and the light comes through here quite nicely. I didn't want this great big blocky thing. I would have preferred a nice open wire frame, but it is what it is. So the only thing I can do is probably trim these with a saw, and of course put the new dowel in. I've just painted it, just cut it and painted it. Yeah, not going as planned, but then how many things actually do go as planned? Not very many, I'm afraid. Not with me, and not in this construction. It's a case of working around the unplanned events. And this is me, for People Brox, the British Tech Guru, and I shall see you in the next video.